Give me a E.
Nah, I need to hear it, bro.
What?
Mataora, yes. And actually, it was pretty hard transition because going to a kura kaupapa, full immersion in te reo Māori. You learn everything in te reo Māori. You learn te reo Pākehā and te reo Māori. I literally needed a translator next to me to explain pāngara in Māori to me. On my report cards, they put that I was the only 5-year-old who knew how to start a song on any note guitar.
Okay,
No
Paul,
other-
give me a E.
E.
E note on the cat. Go, E.
Nah, I need to hear it, bro. Like, of the guitar playing.
What's this
No,
note?
no. It's a C.
No, mate.
That's a C.